In this video, we are going to show you how to add a trend line on a chart inside Google Sheets. Let's begin. Trend lines are useful for highlighting patterns in data on specific charts, including bar, line, column, or scatter charts. You must first insert a chart in Google Sheets to add a trend line. Here's how. Open Google Sheets in your preferred web browser. Create a new workbook and enter your dataset for the chart, or open an existing workbook with the dataset. Select the cells you would like to include in your chart. Click the Insert menu at the top and select Chart from the context menu. This will launch a chart editor on the right of your spreadsheet. Click the drop-down beneath the chart type on the chart editor. Select your preferred chart type from the chart editor. You can add trend lines to a bar, line, column, or scatter chart. After you insert your preferred chart type into Google Sheets, here's how you can add a trend line to it. Double-click the chart you want to add the trend line to. This will launch the chart editor. Click the Customize tab. Select the Series drop-down. Tick the box beside Trend Line. Now you should see the trend line appear on your chart. That's it. Job done. For more tech tips and tricks like these, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos handpicked just for you.